We were a bit nervous about coming into the entrance at Beveridge Reef, especially since our charts weren't very detailed, and as it turns out, were actually incredibly inaccurate. Fortunately, there was a boat inside the lagoon who gave us first-hand knowledge of the entrance, and Phoenix even decided to cooperate and gave us a great bird's-eye view.
What'd you think of the entrance into Beveridge Reef?
It's a little nerve-wracking.
Yeah?
Yeah.
A little tough to see where everything was, and
Yeah.
even with the sun behind us, so.
Yeah. But the water is very clear.
Yeah, absolutely crystal clear. Probably not coming out, but we can see the bottom, and that's like 40 feet down as if we were staring at it. It is amazing.
Our trusty anchor Mac Daddy set hard, but there were quite a lot of bombies around, so Amy jumped in to have a look, only to get an unwanted greeting.
It was like, huh, do I yell for help or do I keep an eye on this shark?
Was it a big one?
He wasn't very big, but he got pretty close. And he was not a black tip or white tip reef shark. I'm not sure what kind he was, so that was a little scary. He got really close.
The sharks were pretty curious, hanging out for quite a while, but not quite as curious as the Niue patrol boat that hailed us the next day.
That is Niue Patrol Boat 202. They are just outside Beveridge Reef and hailed us, asked us if we'd been doing any fishing, got some particulars on the crew and the boat, and wished us a happy stay.
When we came in through the pass, we couldn't believe how clear the water was, so when the coast was clear of sharks, we took a little dipper out to do some snorkeling. The water was definitely clear, but a sting from a man-of-war jellyfish quickly put an end to the day's adventures.
Alright, my dear, what the hell just happened?
I got stung by a jellyfish.
Yeah, your back is red.
My worm.
Is that popsicle helping?
It is helping.
That's good.
It's all mental, man.
Yeah. Well, that and we used hot water to wash it off, which we think if it's a Portuguese man of war, that's about all you can do because vinegar won't help. But magical
Feel the
cure-all.
burn.
Popsicle cures everything.
Mm-hmm. You're not getting popsicle back.
Son of a bitch.
The popsicles made a difference, but some new friends helped us finish the day on a high note.
It's like Amy's kitchen.
What do you have there, dear?
We made some new friends today. A boat that came through here in Beveridge Reef named Viking. And on board they have Vaughn, Scotty, and Christina are who we met. And they went spearfishing today. Actually twice. They went back out spearfishing to nab us this beautiful coral trout is what he called it. Yeah, coral
Was
trout.
it a trout or salmon?
Coral trout.
Alright.
Something like that. Whatever. He said it was delicious. And they brought it here and filleted it on our back step. And yeah, it is a very, very generous gift.
Yeah, we gave him a few beers to say
We gave them a
thanks.
few beers.
Yeah.
They also showed us video and pictures from when they snorkeled with whales earlier today, which we missed out on. We didn't see them. So yeah, pretty awesome.
Rub-a-dub-dub, fish in a tub.
Fish in the tub. Getting nice and drunk on their beer batter.
Nice. Hopefully we will later.
I have a messy nail. I may have been too generous in our fish portions, and our pieces of fish look comically big on our plates. But we'll just have to separate through that.
Looks delicious. That's all that matters.
Good. You can't even see it from there.
Oh yeah, I can. I'm tall enough.
Oh, you can.
Yeah.
Ah, nice, perfectly golden brown, beer battered fish.
Nice.
See, giant piece of fish.
I feel like I am back in the States and like on Instagram filming food.
Since we were a bit low on diesel, we decided to wait for wind to fill back in so that we could sail the rest of the way to Niue. After Viking left, it was pretty magical to be anchored all by ourselves in the middle of the Pacific.